Is it possible to draw on top of a scripture as an overlay via remote show? Via remote show. You wouldn't need to do remote show. You can just do control show. And so if we go back to connection, if I turn on control show and I go to that, let me see if I can share my screen real quick. Hold on. All right, so with the controller, I'm gonna pull this up. This is on my computer. So I'm gonna do my MacBook screen so you guys can see my screen there. This is what the control show looks like. You can select this. And so now I can see my screen and I can just move my highlighter over it. And that's what people are gonna see in FreeShow. Okay. I can change it from focus mode to a pointer or paint. So I can paint and say I want to put underline up under this and it's there. Then I can go back to this here and I can go back there, go to the next slide and turn that on. And it automatically keeps that line there until you clear it out by hitting this little X. And then it'll make it go away. So yes, you can draw, but it's not through remote show, it's through control show. And it'll give you the preview of the actual screen there. And that can be on your device, like an iPad or something like that, or a phone. All right. So that's how remote show works. And I think that's a really cool question for those who want to do that. If you want to draw over your show, you can do that. You also can do that up here in FreeShow. So let me make sure you guys can see my screen here. In FreeShow, you can go up here to this option in the top right corner, right next to settings. And it functions as the same idea. I can draw on top of this and circle things in the program. Okay. And then you can also clear your drawing down here at the bottom right and it goes away. But you can set up all kinds of cool things. So if you wanted to draw on this, you could, or you can give it to somebody like that. You can give them that link to that connection for control show on their phone and they can use it to highlight different things or point, right? They can make a pointer show up and so they can use something like that and they can make it be that way. You can make the opacity be bright or low. You can do, you can make it not hollow. So I can make it be where it's not hollow, right? You can make it to where it's not a hold and it's just always active. And so you can see it up there in the top right where I'm moving my mouse. You can see that that's there. And then I can go over here and I can say I want it to glow. You'll see it kind of has a little bit of a glow to it. You can change the opacity, which I think is really cool. So I can make it be at a 3 and you'll see it's a little bit lighter, right? But it's still functional, okay? So that's a really cool feature. The radius, you can change the size of it if you want to. Let me see, does it go bigger, like 200? The biggest is 100, so let's go 50. Oh, that's not even what I was doing. So the radius has to do with the actual circularity of it. But if I made it be 1, it would just be a square. That's pretty cool. I didn't even know that. So let's go to 100 and then we'll go to the size. That's what I was looking at. So I can make that be 200 and it'll be even bigger. Okay. And I can change that color to be yellow and we'll make the opacity be 7. So now you'll see this yellow. It looks like a little yellow moon floating around on here, right? And you can use that and you can do the same thing with the control show remote connection on the network. You got to be on the network to do it, but you can do it, or you can do it from the back by going up here to the top, right? And then to turn it off, I'm not sure how to turn this off. What I need to do, I need to just go back to show maybe. Yeah, just go to show and it deactivates that drawing pad. Okay, I'm gonna turn